Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox animations on mobile. First, you'll need to download the Roblox Studio app directly onto your mobile device. It's crucial to ensure your device has at least 4 GB of RAM for the best performance and a smooth experience. Once installed, simply create a new project or open an existing one within Roblox Studio to begin your animation journey. This initial setup is key to a successful creative process. Next, you'll want to import your chosen character model into Roblox Studio. After importing, use the Rig Builder plugin to efficiently create a humanoid rig for your character. This rig is essential as it provides the skeletal structure needed for animation. Take your time to accurately position the character within the workspace, ensuring it's ready for movement. A well-rigged and positioned model is the foundation for any great animation. Now for the fun part, animating your character. Open the Animation Editor, a powerful tool within Roblox Studio. Here, you'll create keyframes for each distinct pose and movement your character will make. Carefully adjust the timing and easing of these keyframes to achieve incredibly smooth and natural-looking transitions between actions. Don't forget to utilize the playback feature frequently to preview your animation in real time and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, it's time to save and share your amazing animation. First, save your animation directly to Roblox as an asset, giving it a clear and descriptive name for easy identification later. Once saved, you can publish your game to make your newly animated creations accessible to a wider audience. Don't hesitate to share your work with the vibrant Roblox community. They'll love seeing what you've crafted on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.